Welcome back to Motor Empire 007. Today we are exploring the king of long-distance luxury, a motorcycle that doesn't just take you places, it transforms every mile into an unforgettable experience. Imagine gliding across endless highways, the wind perfectly managed, the engine whispering power beneath you, and every comfort you could dream of built right into your ride. This is not just a bike. This is the 2026 Honda Goldwing Tour, a masterpiece engineered for riders who demand the absolute best. From the very first glance, the 2026 Goldwing Tour commands attention. Its bold aerodynamic design isn't just about looks, it's sculpted for performance and efficiency. The flowing bodywork seamlessly integrates with the bike's touring-focused architecture, giving it a presence that feels both aggressive and refined. Every line has a purpose, from reducing drag to enhancing stability at high speeds. The LED lighting system adds a futuristic touch, making the bike stand out whether it's day or night. As you step closer, you begin to notice the premium craftsmanship. The paint finishes are deep and rich, the chrome accents are precisely placed, and every panel fits together with surgical precision. This is a motorcycle that reflects Honda's decades of engineering excellence. It doesn't just look expensive, it feels like a luxury machine built to last. At the heart of this touring giant lies its legendary engine. The 2026 Goldwing Tour continues to use the iconic flat-six engine, delivering smooth, effortless power. The moment you twist the throttle, you feel a surge that is both powerful and incredibly refined. Unlike aggressive sport bikes, this engine is tuned for comfort and consistency. It doesn't scream, it glides. The power delivery is linear, predictable, and incredibly satisfying, making long-distance rides feel effortless. But what truly sets this bike apart is how it handles. Despite its size, the Goldwing Tour feels surprisingly agile. Thanks to its advanced suspension system and low center of gravity, it offers remarkable stability and control. Whether you're carving through winding roads or cruising on a straight highway, the bike responds with confidence. It feels planted, secure, and incredibly smooth, even at higher speeds. Now let's talk about comfort, because this is where the Goldwing Tour truly shines. The seating position is designed for long journeys, offering excellent support for both the rider and the passenger. The seats are plush, ergonomically shaped, and built for hours of riding without fatigue. The backrest and armrest for the passenger elevate the experience to a whole new level, making it feel more like a luxury touring car than a traditional motorcycle. Wind protection is another area where this bike excels. The electronically adjustable windshield allows you to customize airflow according to your preference. Whether you want a cool breeze or complete wind protection, it's all just a button away. Combine that with heated grips and heated seats, and you've got a machine that's ready for any weather condition. Technology plays a huge role in defining the 2026 Goldwing Tour. The bike features a large, high-resolution display that acts as your command center. From navigation to music to ride settings, everything is easily accessible and intuitive. The interface is smooth, responsive, and designed to keep your focus on the road. The sound system on this bike is something truly special. High-quality speakers deliver crisp, immersive audio, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music even at highway speeds. Whether you're cruising through the city or riding across states, your journey becomes a soundtrack-driven experience. And then there's connectivity. With smartphone integration, Bluetooth support, and voice command features, staying connected has never been easier. You can take calls, listen to playlists, and even follow navigation prompts without ever taking your hands off the handlebars. Storage is another highlight of the Goldwing Tour. The spacious saddlebags and top case provide ample room for all your travel essentials. Whether you're heading out for a weekend getaway or a cross-country adventure, you'll never have to worry about packing light. Everything you need can come along for the ride. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2026 model comes equipped with advanced rider aids, including traction control, multiple riding modes, and a highly responsive braking system. These features work together to ensure maximum confidence on the road. No matter the conditions, the bike adapts to keep you safe and in control. One of the most impressive aspects of the Goldwing Tour is how it blends luxury with performance. It's not just about comfort, it's about delivering a complete riding experience. You get the thrill of a powerful engine, the stability of advanced engineering, and the comfort of a premium touring machine, all in one package. Riding this bike isn't just transportation, it's an experience. It's about the feeling of freedom as you cruise down an open highway. It's about the connection between you, the machine, and the road ahead. It's about turning every journey into a story worth telling. And let's not forget the presence this bike carries. Wherever you go, the Gold Wing Tour turns heads. It has a reputation that precedes it, a legacy that commands respect. When you ride this machine, you're not just another rider. You're part of a tradition of excellence. For those who love long-distance touring, this bike is a dream come true. It eliminates the usual compromises of motorcycle travel. No more discomfort, no more limitations, just pure, uninterrupted riding pleasure. It's built for those who see the road not as a path, but as a destination in itself. The 2026 Honda Goldwing Tour isn't trying to compete. It's setting the standard. It's a reminder of what a motorcycle can be when engineering meets passion. Every detail, every feature, every innovation is designed to elevate your ride. So if you've ever dreamed of owning a motorcycle that offers unmatched comfort, cutting-edge technology, and legendary performance, this is it. This is the bike that redefines touring. This is the machine that turns miles into memories. And once you experience it, there's no going back.